let's play a game so neat. We'll learn the sounds that animals make when they meet. The cow goes moo and the sheep goes baa, while the rooster crows cock-a-doodle-doo at dawn's first star. The pig goes oink as it rolls in mud so brown. The horse goes neigh as it gallops through the town.